In millions of living rooms across America, there is a silent battle happening. You might not notice it, but your expensive 4K smart TV is slowly dying. The apps are getting laggier. The interface is cluttered with ads for shows you'll never watch. The remote feels like a plastic toy from the 90s. But while most people are just accepting this as the status quo, Apple has been quietly building something in the background that is about to change the way we think about the big screen forever. We are standing on the precipice of the Apple TV 4K 2026 launch, and if the leaks coming out of Cupertino this week are even 50% accurate, the streaming world is about to be turned upside down. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're thinking about buying a Roku, a Fire Stick, or even a high-end Sony or Samsung TV just for the smart features, I need you to stop. Put the remote down. Because the 2026 Apple TV 4K isn't just a streaming box anymore. According to internal supply chain reports, Apple is shifting its strategy. They are moving away from the hobby phase and into what insiders are calling Project Living Room Dominance. We're talking about a device that combines a gaming console, a smart home brain, and a cinematic powerhouse into a single, sleek aluminum box that fits in the palm of your hand. Let's talk about the heart of this machine. For years, the Apple TV has used slightly older iPhone chips, and it was still faster than every other TV on the market. But for the 2026 model, Apple is reportedly jumping straight to the A17 Pro or even the A18 chip. Now, why does a TV box need that much power? It's not just for Netflix. It's for Apple Intelligence. This is the year Siri finally grows up. Imagine sitting on your couch and saying, "Hey Siri, find that scene from that movie where the guy is wearing a yellow hat and they're in London," and within 2 seconds, the exact frame is playing on your 75-inch screen. No more scrolling. No more typing into a search bar with a clunky remote. This is the era of the AI-powered cinema. But it gets deeper. One of the biggest complaints about the current Apple TV is that it's overkill. People say, why do I need a $130 box when my TV already has apps? Here is the secret the TV manufacturers don't want you to know. Your TV's processor is garbage. It's designed to last 2 years before it starts chugging. The Apple TV 4K 2026 is being built to last a decade. With the A18 class architecture, we are looking at hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Yes, you heard that right. Ray tracing on a streaming box. This means Apple is finally going after the casual gaming market in a way that should make Nintendo, and even Sony, very nervous. We're talking about console-quality games, Resident Evil, Death Stranding, Assassin's Creed, running natively on your TV with a Bluetooth controller, with zero lag and stunning lighting effects. And then there's the 8K question. The rumors are swirling that the 2026 model will finally introduce HDMI 2.1b with support for 8K pass-through. Now, do you need 8K? Probably not yet. But Apple knows that high-end users in the USA are already upgrading their home theaters. By including 8K support and promotion 120Hz capability, Apple is making this the only future-proof device in your entertainment center. Imagine scrolling through your movie library with the same buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate you get on your iPhone Pro or iPad Pro. Once you see